Thinking about starting your own business? Whether you're a student or working full-time, turning an idea into something real is more achievable than ever, if you take smart steps. Start with a problem. What frustrates you or people around you? The best businesses solve real problems. No one needs another random product. They need solutions that make life easier, cheaper, or faster. Next, brainstorm ideas. Write down any and all ways to solve the problem. Don't filter, just explore. Some of the best ideas start messy and get clearer over time. Then, validate. Ask real people. Do you deal with this problem? Would this help you? Would you pay for it? You're not looking for praise, you're looking for truth. If people hesitate, dig deeper. If they say I need this now, that's a green light. Now build your minimum viable product, just the simplest version of your solution. It could be a service, a landing page, a short guide, or even a basic prototype. Launch quickly and start learning. Understand the numbers, know your basic costs, time, tools, materials, know your price, know your break-even point. Profit comes from clarity, not luck. Finally, just start. Publish the page, offer the service, make the first sale. You'll never feel totally ready, and that's normal. What matters is action. Start small, learn fast, improve constantly. You don't need a big team or a big budget. You need a real problem, a real solution, and the courage to test it. Have an idea in your head? Start now. Validate it. Launch it. Learn as you go. The best way to build a business is to begin. Start today, your future is waiting. Believe in yourself, take the leap, and make your dreams a reality. The journey begins now. Understanding your target audience and their needs can make or break your business. Don't forget about the power of networking. Connect with other entrepreneurs, join business communities, and attend industry events. Networking can open doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and valuable advice from experienced business owners. By building a strong network, you create a support system that can help you navigate the challenges of entrepreneurship. You'll gain access to resources, mentorship, and potentially even investors who believe in your vision. So don't underestimate the impact of a solid network. It could be the key to your next big breakthrough.